It's Sunday and I am heading to the beach for my very first beach day for this season. Very excited. And to top it all off, I have a friend who is visiting right now, so I get to have a reunion with a friend as well as go in the sea, lay in the sun, and just have a beautiful, beautiful day. As you can see, I'm in a car, I'm driving. I was absolutely blessed to find a loaner for the day. I was originally going to get a lift with a friend and that fell through, and then my neighbor was able to tee me up with this cute little Fiat. So I'm on my way now to Badi, where my friend is and her family, and we are gonna have a wonderful, wonderful day together, and I'm so excited. What was really funny is that as soon as I got in the car and I drive like 1 minute down the street, right in Nulvi, in my town, the carabinieri was there and I got pulled over. But I had the gentleman who lent me this car for today, he's like, all the papers are in the glove box, it's all good, you know, you won't have any problems, you're all good. So it went so smoothly. It was just like, pull over. And he spoke English. He was, not that I need that, but he was like, do you speak English? And I was like, yeah, I do. And he's like, can you give me your license, please? And I was like, yeah, sure. So I gave him my documents. He took the documents from the car. 5 minutes later, back on the road. But it was quite funny to get in the car and then 2 seconds later be pulled over for the very first time. It's a day full of experiences. Obviously, I cannot film while I'm driving, but this is some of the view that I'm seeing right now in front of me. You can see the water is right over there, and there's just such beautiful land all around. But it is getting quite brown and yellow because it's summertime and things are drying up. So excited for today. Made it to the beach. We are at Badi here. It's a beautiful beach. So I've just come from that way where my friends are staying. They've parked there in an RV park. And we just walked down here. And let me show you what the beach is like. Little place to eat and drink. So lovely. This is a place called Badi. You can see that in some places you can rent the umbrellas, and then there are parts of the beach where you can just put up your own. For a Sunday, it's quite quiet, but it's absolutely lovely. And people out there in the water also on a paddleboard. Here you can rent the stand-up paddleboards. People often just bring their own. I don't know if they have lifeguards in Italy, but there aren't too many dangers out there, you know. It's just water, beautiful clear water. Nothing that can bite you, other than a couple of fish maybe. All pretty smooth sailing. That's a great idea. Now we're getting up to the area where you rent umbrellas. It's quite nice for tourists when you don't have your own to be able to sit on a really comfy chair, have a table, and an umbrella. Definitely necessary. Other necessities include food. There is a restaurant here opposite the water. It's lunchtime now, so people are enjoying themselves. Here is where I assume the lifeguards would live if they have them, but this is also where you can rent the umbrellas, and there might be little cafe in there as well. So good to see trash bins by the beach. Don't want any trash on the beach. Another bar over there. I believe there's a place where you can get gelato as well. And this is where I am going to set myself up for the day with my friends. First swim is done for the season. Not that it was a check off the list type of thing. It was absolutely so needed after months and months and months of not going in the ocean. It feels amazing. The water is beautiful. It's so clear. It is time for gelato. Even got a little gym. No muscular men working out though, unfortunately. Contanti. I did not film myself eating that gelato. So what I can say is it was quite delicious. Oh, sorry. Such a beautiful day had today with my friend and her family. It was perfect weather. The water was lovely, a little fresh, but lovely. Sun, all the vitamin D happened. And yeah, just a really long awaited reunion and much needed day in the sun by the sea. So I have this car until I go home. So I'm gonna drive along the coast, go into Castel Sardo. If you know it, you know it. Seeing I'm not too far away, I'm gonna head there first. All right. Well, I'm home. I'm back from the beach and I did not stop anywhere other than to get petrol because everything was so busy and I was just both tired and hungry, and so I made my way home and enjoyed the scenery along the way. It is just stunning driving along the coastline. around or through Castel Sardo, Lubagno, and then onto Novi. So I didn't have to go that way, but I just wanted the scenic route because it is so pretty. And I did think I was going to stop, but my body was just tired and wanted to come home. So that's where I am now. It's been a wonderful day. I'm going to cook myself some pasta for dinner and go to bed. I know why Sardinians live for the summer and for the beaches, because here they are just chef's kiss. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching all the way through to the end, and I will see you next time. Ciao for now.